So this is a customized product. This is OVCD with a bypass. Now this product was requested by one of our clients where he wanted an application where he wanted to bypass the OVCD in case of any problem, because his most of his sites are outside of city limits. So this is a simple OVCD. Here what we are seeing is a 440 volts demonstration, and along with that what we are showing here is also how it can be bypassed. So as you can see, it can withstand 440 volts, and along with that we are also demonstrating how if you are bypassing. Now if you see, it is now the unit is bypassed and it can go directly on the main line, and this is how it protects and also bypasses the unit.